Hello, I'm Stephen Watson. You're watching today's Tàijíquán Tip. While I have you, thank you for your financial contributions. $1 here and there, $4 here and there, $10 occasionally. Whatever you can do helps me out. I'm doing these for free to reach the wider community, but it takes time, costs money. Um, I'm here at Anytime Fitness in North Madison, Connecticut. I have a couple of these uh, uh, prop blocks, yoga blocks, yoga bricks. Um, I like doing this particular practice with foam blocks because they're going to give instead of flip, and they're going to give me more. Uh, uh, I don't know if they're going to give me more information. They're more likely to give a beginner information sooner and more clearly than a solid, brick will made of earth. Um, and so, standing on the blocks, I could have opted to stand on the blocks this way. I could have opted to stand on the blocks this way. I could have opted to stand on the blocks, block upon block or something. But I just have them down here with the widest face down and therefore the widest face up. And we can practice this. Hopefully we're zoomed in enough on my feet. Maybe I'll even come a bit closer here. And hopefully we don't run out of time. But I'd like to practice in the center of the brick if the brick is wider than your foot, and then slowly learn how to practice to the edge of the brick, not off the brick, but to the edge. But starting in the middle is a good start. I don't really care what stance you do or what practice you're doing, but if it's a Tai Chi Chuan practice, we can presume there's going to be some shifting. And the idea here is that if I'm shifting into my foot unevenly, the foam block is going to make it easy for me to notice that rather than shifting my weight into a foot where it's evenly spread through the foot. If I'm overly favoring the outside edge or the heel, for example, the block will compress. Later, when I practice on the edge, I might start to feel that block roll or maybe even do something like this. So there's a pretty positive, powerful, and obvious feedback. So I think I probably went long enough, so I'm going to leave you with that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Pointing your smartphone's camera at these QR codes will lead you to places where you can help. Thank you, thank you, thank you.